is always where I wanted to go, nah, nah. My love is always where I wanted to go, nah, nah. My love is always where I wanted to go now.
Alright, Dragon Ball Super has a new movie. And we finally got the reveal of the new and one of the new characters for Dragon Ball Super. Tonight we're gonna draw Cell Max from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. You remember that tank from the movie? Turns out it was a clone doppelganger of Cell. They call him Cell Max. It looked like Cell when he was half complete, and only with a silver arm. Alexa, play Stars in the Sky.
Stars in the Sky, from Sonic the Hedgehog 2, by Kid Cudi, on Amazon Music.
Let's get started on drawing Cell Max, shall we? We drew the upper half, the crest.
Ain't no time to sleep, a second to unwind. Head up in the sky, I follow to the beat. It's just what my heart's demanding. Friends and laughing, hear me dancing in the flow. Yes, I feel it's my time. Watch me glow, living in the dream lights, in the zone. Yeah, this world is all mine. Come see what you'll find, right? Going for it, I'm rolling to the stars in the sky, babe, I'm home in the city. I'm rolling to the stars in the sky, babe, I'm home. Say I'm riding, sail tonight.
Here's his hand.
Say right now I get it, take my hand, come zone. Come on, catch a ride and we take it to places that we only dream. Nothing I know. This is my heaven, baby. Day and night in my zone. The feeling flows through me. Heaven's where we meet. Happy we loving our lives. Things I wish to see seem to come to be. I see the truth, I'm honest. The moon is singing our song. See, we found what we're searching for, the love that we hold. And another adventure unfolds.
A lot has happened in this movie.
Dreaming about it. Going for it. I'm rolling to the
It's gonna be like Sonic the Hedgehog 2,
in the city.
only evolved.
I'm rolling to the stars in the sky, babe, I'm home. Say I'm riding, sail tonight, I'm home.
Here's Cell's arm.
Say right now I get it, take my hand, come zone. Come on, get your ride and we take it to places that we only dream. Nothing I'm more. This is my heaven, baby. Day and night in my zone. The feeling words, just inside, take me home.
There. Now we draw his wrecking ball-like tail. Now we draw the spots on his body. I'll get to that later. You can check that out in the thumbnail. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
And finished. That is how you draw Cell Max.
The feelings running. The feelings running.
I'm proud you all are going to be amped for the movie being released in theaters this August. I know I am. Let's see what events are going to happen in this movie. A lot of turns and knobs, that kind of stuff. Let's see how this turns out. That's how you draw Cell Max. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be on the lookout for more episodes of Ultra God Mission. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.